copying and pasting edits in Apple Photos doesn't always work. I'm going to turn the photo in the middle into the photo that's on the right. Select the photo on the right, tap the three dots, and tap on Copy Edits. Then I'll go back to the album view inside my favorites album, tap on the photo in the middle, which is the original image, tap the three dots, and then tap Paste Edits. In theory, these two photos should look exactly the same. It is possible for you to revert back to the original image. First, tap on the three dots once more, and then tap on Revert to Original. When you do, you'll be back to the original image. As long as you've edited the photo on the same device, it should revert back to the original image, like it just did. Next, tap on Edit. The Adjust layer will be selected by default. Tap on Auto. As you can see, that automatically adjusts all the properties. Once you tap on Auto, you can make more manual adjustments. For example, I will tap on Exposure and crank it all the way up. You can also tap on Brilliance and adjust that. But I'm going to select Highlights and bring the highlights all the way up, so the image looks like this. If you want to make more adjustments, you can come back later and do that. When you're done editing, tap on Done to return to your new image. Notice these two images look very similar. I'll flip back and forth between them so that you can compare. If you want to make additional adjustments to your photos, you can. Just tap on Edit one more time and adjust the properties that you'd like to. I'll tap on Brilliance and adjust that. I'll bring it up a little bit, but not necessarily all the way to the top. Notice the white dot on the slider. That shows you the default value for each property, in most cases 0. To adjust the property back to 0, move the slider back to that white dot. Tap on Done, and now the photos look exactly the same. Watch this video recommended by YouTube. This playlist contains more tutorials just like this one. Don't forget to subscribe and hit that notification bell so you're notified when I upload a new video. Join me next time.